Good morning. Welcome to the Black Hoodie Man, the bass guitar Masterclass, episode 1. This is a series where I teach you how to play the bass. As we all know, the bass guitar is the foundation of any song, and it is very important. The first thing you have to know is the strings. This bass guitar is very special, because unlike other bass guitars, it has 5 strings. And this top string is not something that most of you will have on your bass guitar at home. Now, if I play the string now, it doesn't make much sound, because the second thing we need to play the bass is one of these. This is an amplifier, and it does pretty much what the name implies and amplifies. But right now I can turn on the amplifier and nothing happens. That's because you need this cable to connect to this bass guitar. So you take the other end of the cable and you plug it in, and now you have to turn it on. So as long as you have a cable that works, it will sound great. Now, remember kids, if you, it's almost Christmas, so you can wish for a nice new bass guitar, and once you have that, you have everything you need to join a band and become famous. So good luck, and see you next week.